Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing two of my personal stories, one about my snake plant that completely reverted and another about my magnolia tree that struggled because of a hidden sucker. Now stay tuned till the end because I'm going to reveal how exactly a magnolia tree looks once it blooms. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and do that. This is my snake plant, Sansevieria. It once had beautiful yellow variegation on its leaves, but over a few years I got busy, and due to less light, irregular watering, and honestly a little neglect, slowly all the variegation disappeared and the leaves turned completely green. This process is particularly called reversion when a plant goes back to its original wild form to survive. It's like nature's way of saying, if you don't care for me, I'll take care of myself. So, yes, my lack of attention made this plant stronger, just a little less fancy. Though the green version, the wild version which I called, it is also pretty, but if you ever plan to propagate a variegated snake plant, it's always better to divide the plant and not use cutting method as it reverts. Another similar story of this is Syngonium elbow with the beautiful variegation. Okay, I don't know how this monstera pero came in between. But look what happened. Over the time, even though it gets enough light, it started losing its variegation here. A little better, but then this is the new leaf. Hardly any variegation, just this. Now let's talk about my magnolia tree, which I got a year and a half back, maybe. Yes, but it has never bloomed once. And I kept wondering if it was because of sunlight, water, or fertilizer. But when I looked closely, there was a big sucker growing from the base. And that sucker was taking away all the nutrients and energy from the main plant. So I decided to chop it off from the base itself, and look how big that sucker was, which I neglected again during monsoon. It grew too big, too tall, I would say. So I chopped it from the base itself, and now I'm gonna apply some cinnamon powder onto it so that they won't heal, and I'm hoping no more sucker. Now we'll loosen up the soil and add some bone meal so that it can have the nutrients and save its energy for its next season's bloom. And here how it ends. So this was my story about my neglected plants. Some reverted, some are recovering. So do let me know if this has ever happened with your plants too. Share your story in the comments. I would love to read them. And if you enjoy learning little life lessons from plants, don't forget to subscribe, because here every leaf has a story. Thank you for watching again. Take care. Keep growing.